Hi, I'm Joe. Today, I will show you exactly what happens when you have a car crash while you're not wearing a seatbelt. First, the car stops suddenly when it hits the object in front of you. This is just the first crash, because next, I smash through the windshield with the same speed as the car had before it crashed, and I keep going until I hit something hard, like the road. This is the second crash, the crash that could kill me. But it doesn't have to be like that. This time, I will wear my seatbelt. The car stops suddenly, but the seatbelt holds me securely in place, stopping me from having that second crash. So, always use your seatbelt.